Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. So have you ever heard about the Google Opinion Rewards? So in this video, I'd like to share you about it. So basically the Google Opinion Reward is an official survey app from Google that let us the user or we as the user to earn the small rewards in exchange for completing survey. I'm sorry. And also, if you would like to know how to get the survey faster, so here's the tips if you would like to get the information or notification of it. So of course, if you are the user of Google, and don't forget to install it. And here I am opening it from my Android phone, so you can install it first from the Play Store here. And this is the look of the Google Opinion Rewards. You can, if you already install it, so it will also direct you to fill the some formula and also allows you to the log in. Just log into your Google account, and this is the look that will direct you into the home page. The first thing you need to do is at least you can open this Google opening rewards one or twice in a day so that you can be actively open and be noticed about the information and the latest or the newest survey that they need you to fill the survey. And also you can check the app daily and ensure that you have also enabled the notification as you can see here, and so that it will help you to get the information about the newest survey that they need you to fill. And it after you simply fill it, then you will earn the small earn of it. Let's say I will show you how to allow this notification. Then I will click allow here. Then I will activate the toggle. And there you go. The rewards, the Google Opinion Rewards is already activated the notification. So the second or the third tips is you can responding to the survey itself promptly, and it will also have you more survey. And also, since this survey also following the location that you are now, then you can activate the location of your device here, because the survey itself also depends on the responder and also the location, and it will the survey itself can be more specific depending on the where the responder is living now. And as you can see here, the survey is not available for this time. So the first thing you can do, complete the profile that following what you're doing now, and then the languages that you are master or you can speak to. And also you can allow these several things such as the personalized survey and also the precise location as I mentioned before, and also enable the web and the app activity. So this Google can read your, let's say, your pattern of life and what application that you use daily. So when who knows that this Google survey will send you the survey to fill on it. And as you can see, I'm sorry, this is the several things that you have already allowed, such as the notification, age, payment account, the gender, and also the personalized ads. And also you can share this survey to your friends. That's all, guys. Don't forget to try it with your device, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't be hesitate to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.